Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn how to check your record for all books and library charges that you may have. If you have any questions or concerns about your account, please do not hesitate to let your teacher librarian know as soon as possible. So, first, to get to the website, you can either use the link sent in your email or you can go directly to library.cjuhsd.net. And then it will list all of the schools in the district, so click your school. For my example, I will use Ontario High. The only difference in the whole tutorial is the left top where it will have your school. So on the top right, you want to click on Login. And here you will put in your long number as username, and you will put the short number as the password, but also the capital PWD. And then hit enter or hit login. And then you will see your name at the top right to verify that this is your account. On the left here, look at the tab for My Info. Here you will click on it and it will list everything you are responsible for. First it has library materials, and so this student has one library book. Under textbooks, she has 3 books this year. And under fines, she has a book as well. That book is either very, very late, or there is some type of charge such as mold or something that we've put a charge on. So that's it. That's all you have to do to look for your account. Again, if you have any questions or concerns about a charge or your payment plan, anything, please don't hesitate to contact your teacher librarian. Thank you so much.